So I get this question quite frequently. How much weight can a person actually lose when they're fasting? Now, I just want to mention the difference between doing the ketogenic diet, okay, and you have fasting over here. And if you combine them, it's a whole different thing. But if you're just doing the ketogenic diet alone, where you're lowering your carbs, the most that you can lose per week is about 2 pounds of fat per week if you're healthy. But what if you're fasting every day? How much can you lose? You potentially could lose a lot more. You can lose a half a pound a day, and that would be 0.227 kilograms for those Europeans, or that comes out to 3.5 pounds lost per week, or 1.58 kilograms per week. Now, just realize that this is the best case scenario. You're not going to lose more than this. You have to have a really healthy metabolism to be able to lose that much. Now, if you're just starting out, you're probably going to lose anywhere between 7 to 15 pounds for the first week. And that's pretty much going to happen on just about any diet that you do that lowers the carbs. Why? Because you're going to lose a ton of water weight. Where's the water weight coming from? It's coming from the stored glucose as glycogen. So there's 3 to 3.8 grams of water in every gram of glucose if it's stored as glycogen. So glycogen, which is stored glucose in your liver and your muscles, is like a fluid-filled sponge. And when you're doing fasting, you're going to use up the glycogen in your liver, not your muscles, but in the liver and some other places, to the point where you're not going to have very much glycogen in your liver and you're going to dump a lot of water. I think most people knew that, but if you didn't, that's what it is. Now, there are all sorts of variables that go along with this. Depending on your age, if you're 18 years old, you're going to lose a heck of a lot more than a 65-year-old. So you have your activity level, your exercise level. If you're male or female, females have more estrogen. It makes it more difficult to lose weight. You have how strong your metabolism is, how healthy you are, and then you have what you eat when you break the fast. I think that's really important. And also your stress level. So these are the variables that will determine if you're going to lose this much or that much, depending on if you're fasting or just doing the ketogenic diet or a combination of both. Before you go, if you have a question about a product, or you're new to keto and you want to know how to begin keto, or you're on keto and you need a debug because it's not going as smooth, I have a keto consultant standing by to help you. This is just for the people in the US. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to answer everyone's call. But I put the number down below so you can call and get some help.